Dear teachers, parents and students, the 5th of September, the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, philosopher, academic and statesman, is etched in the minds of all Indians as the Teachers' Day. He envisaged a day when teachers must be the best minds in the country. That day has finally come. While the world stood and stared into oblivion amid the contagion, the teaching community moved on. While the virus unleashed a plethora of worries and the world remained transfixed, the teaching community blossomed in the darkness that shrouded humanity. Overnight, they readied themselves to take up the challenges of stepping into an unknown digital world fraught with uncertainties and obstacles. Nothing deterred the young and old teachers from leaping into this cauldron of trials, errors and success. In a few days, they had graduated from rudimentary steps to leaps and bounds. Never before had academia seen such a quantum change since the age of the Gurukul system of learning or the advent of Western schooling. What was surprising was that the schools and their teachers swiftly transformed themselves without waiting to see the outcome of the pandemic. All available digital media were put to the best use, that is, WhatsApp, YouTube channels and websites, before organized and dedicated platforms took their place in form of Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Google Classroom and myriads of forms and presentation apps. It was all a private initiative at first, even though hampered by lack of social mobility, essential services, equipment and expertise. But the wheels were set in motion and there was no looking back. Very soon this would become the beacon of change and the hope for a new world. The only global fraternity that did not see defeat during the pandemic is the academic fraternity. Unfazed by the challenges, a new mode of teaching stepped out into a world crouching in fear behind closed doors. All the bottled up talents of generations of teachers in intramural exercises finally broke loose and set the world on fire. No more were classrooms and playgrounds, chalks and boards, books and stationery essential to learning. This virtual world would soon become the meeting place for the children deprived of a real world. Teachers would once again be their guides, mentors, playmates and companions. A controlled classroom will no longer be the exclusive location for teaching learning system. A teacher no longer fears to stand exposed to the critical assessment of parents who are also silent and sometimes not so silent observers. It is time the world finally acknowledges the resilience and grit of the teachers all over the world who showed that there is no limit to determination and dedication. Now it is time for all the parents who had left their children to the care of the schools to finally accept their responsibilities. Every parent has a duty to spare time or trouble for the welfare of their children. It is heartening to realize that parents wholeheartedly participate in the online classes, sitting beside their children and observe their children grow up. The society has changed dramatically in the last few months. Family bonds are getting stronger. The rush to chase mirages is no longer there. and nature is finally having a sigh of relief. Both emotions and equations are molding into a new form of existence. Values that were once perceived to be sacrosanct are no longer so. Trust the school management along with their teachers to chart the best course for your children. Every person on earth has been affected in some way or the other. Many have lost their livelihood and life. Let the Almighty come to our aid. God bless our teachers. Thank you and have a nice day.